conjugaisons irrégulières, and we'll see especially the verbs that will end with ter. Okay, so regular verbs from the first group ending with er. Okay, but then we'll see that these verbs will be, in some cases, a bit different. And then what we should keep in mind is that the verbs from the these family of verbs, so you can see that jeter is the first one, and after that all the verbs will be based on jeter, so déjeter, interjeter, projeter, rejeter, and then surjeter. Well, these verbs won't follow the rule, or they will actually follow another rule. So all the things that we'll see in this video, they won't concern these verbs. Okay, so I've been choosing a verb acheter. Quite useful. It means to buy, and as you can see, it's ter, so first group, but then we'll see that for the indicatif présent tense, futur simple, conditionnel présent, and then subjonctif présent, it will be slightly different. Okay, for all the other tenses, actually you just respect the rule that we saw concerning the construction of the conjugation so all the other tenses, I mean, it will follow the rule. Okay, so now we'll see the présent form, and then it goes like j'achète, tu achètes, il achète, nous achetons, vous achetez, ils achètent. And so you can see that the only modification we will have to do will be to put an accent grave on the top of this here, okay? And it will concern only je, tu, il, and then il at the plural form. Okay, for nous and vous, actually you don't change, and you just respect the rule, or the rule that we saw concerning the construction of the present tense for the first group of verbs, so ending with er. Okay, but then remember that you get to put it, and then you will have to pronounce it, so it goes like j'achète, tu achètes, il achète, and then here ils achètent. Okay. After that, nous achetons, vous achetez. Remember, this here is silent or mute. Okay? So, for the futur simple, j'achèterai, tu achèteras, il achètera, nous achèterons, vous achèterez, ils achèteront. So here you can see that all the forms will be concerned and affected or modified. Okay? So, it's the same rule. So, you will put this accent grave here, and then you will change the pronunciation, so you will get this e, achèterait, achètera, achètera, achèteront, achèterait, achèteront. Okay? If we're talking about le conditionnel présent, it will be, the same. J'achèterais, tu achèterais, il achèterait, nous achèterions, vous achèteriez, ils achèteraient. Okay? So, same thing, accent grave here, and then it will affect all the forms. J'achèterais, tu achèterais, il achèterait, nous achèterions, vous achèteriez, ils achèteraient. Okay? And last but not least, let's see le subjonctif présent. Que j'achète, que tu achètes, qu'il achète, que nous achetions, que vous achetiez, qu'ils achètent. Okay? And then, same thing, accent grave, and it will concern je, tu, il, elle, and then il, elle at the plural form. For nous and vous, you don't change it. Okay? Que j'achète, que tu achètes, qu'il achète, and then plural form, qu'ils achètent. Okay? Well, that's it. So remember that for these ter, you will have to modify at the indicatif présent, at the futur simple, at the conditionnel présent, and subjonctif présent for all the other tenses. The verb will behave like a normal er verb.